Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to explain connections option on your Discord and show you how to fix a little bug with Spotify. So what you need to do is go to your user settings and go to connections. Now, as you can see, you have these things. All of these, and you can connect them to your Discord account. When you click on one of them, like Spotify, it will go to your Internet Explorer and it will ask you to log in. After you have successfully logged in, it will instantly connect your app that you chose to your Discord account. Now each one of these has its advantages and different options for it. Like Spotify has display on your profile and it will pretty much tell everybody what music you're listening to. And you can display Spotify as your status. Now, this one in particular, Spotify has one bug that I recently found, and it's if you have connected it to your account and you're listening to Spotify and you're not muted in Discord and you're talking to somebody, pretty much after like 10 or 30 seconds, I'm not sure, your Spotify music will stop. And this happens because Spotify thinks you're like streaming their music or something. I don't know. If it happens to you, Discord will tell you, like up here it will be an error, and when you click on it, it will pretty much tell you all the details about why it happened. And if I remember correctly, that's why it happened. Now, maybe in the future this bug thingy or something will get fixed, but right now it's not fixed. So I'm going to show you how to fix it, and it's pretty much pretty simple. All you have to do is, well, disconnect it from your account. Yeah, that's all. I know now you won't have your music on your status and everything, but at the same time, your music won't pause while you're talking to your friends. So yeah, it's that simple, guys. If this was helpful for you, leave a like. If you want more videos just like this, subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.